Hey guys, I was recently going through some old files and I found some mod videos I hadn't posted, so we'll be releasing them over the next few weeks. Even though they may be a little out of date, I hope they can still help someone choose or install some mods on their Ford. So let's get started with some S550 bolt-on action.
Sid here with svtperformance.com. You know, I've always felt that something was missing under the hood of our Project EcoBoost Mustang. And no, I'm not talking about 4 more cylinders. This car is a factory performance pack car, and unlike the GTs, it doesn't come with a strut tower brace. It does have the K-brace that ties the firewall into the strut towers, but not the strut tower brace that goes from one side to the other. So we decided to call up Ford Performance Racing Parts and see if they could help us out. Now, they said they didn't have anything available for our EcoBoost Mustang, but they did have this brace for a GT Mustang. So we told them, hey, send it over and we'll see if it fits. For our purposes, the installation is really simple. We just need to remove these 4 15mm nuts, 2 on each side of the car, and then the brace just goes on top of the factory K-brace. Now, the Ford Performance Strut Tower Brace Kit comes with this K-brace as well, but since our car is already equipped with it, we can skip that step. So all we need is our 15mm socket, and handy impact. And on the passenger side, we just have to pry off this wiring harness retainer, like that, and then repeat the process. And while it's not 100% necessary, it does make the installation a lot easier if you remove the battery cover and the positive battery cable. And with all that stuff out of the way, now we can just pop the strut tower brace on. And now the rest of the installation is just reversing what we took off, replacing the 4 15mm nuts, putting the positive battery cable back in place along with its retainer, and reinstalling the battery cover. So that's it for the installation. Since we already had the performance pack on our S550 EcoBoost Mustang, the installation only took us about 15 minutes. And in that 15-minute time, we got way better underhood looks and perhaps a little bit of handling improvement as well. And as you can see, there's plenty of clearance space around the EcoBoost engine. So hopefully the guys over at Ford Performance will see this video and add the S550 EcoBoost Mustangs to the list of models this kit is designed to fit. So if you want to keep up with all the latest installs and tests on our 2015 Mustang EcoBoost project car, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out svtperformance.com for all the latest news, reviews, and tests of your favorite Ford Performance vehicles.